of my all-time favorite scent ever, period. If I have to just live with one scent for the rest of my life, this is it. That shows how much I love this scent. And today the scent is a very soapy scent. It's very luxurious. Welcome to Soul Scents. If you're tuning in for the first time on this channel, we talk about smelling beautiful, exploring perfumes and reviewing them. So before delving into the video, I just want to share with you a couple of my favorite soapy scents. I'm a big fan of soapy scents, and if you love soapy scents, then you're going to enjoy this video thoroughly. So yeah, this is another favorite of mine. It's brilliant for the scorching summer. It just pierces through the heat. It's very sour, bitter, citrus cologne, and the name is Mugler cologne by Thierry Mugler, and the perfumer for this is Alberto Morillas. And this is another of Alberto Morillas' creation. This is Made pour Homme. It's been there, it's not a new scent, but it's a lovely, soft, floral, woody, soapy scent. Guerlain Vetiver, another cult classic, soapy scent, and beautiful for the hot, humid weather. I don't know how many bottles of this I've used, but another gem of a scent. It's a cult classic, it's one of all-time favorite scents. PRADA, another PRADA Lunar Rosso. This was the original one. This is again designed by the in-house PRADA perfumer, Daniella, roche, andrier. It's very clean, fresh out of the shower, very sophisticated vibe. It's an elegant scent, ideal for daytime wear. And this is another creation of Daniella and roche. This is PRADA Infusion Dium, iris-based scent, powdery, soft, clean, fresh out of the shower again scent. But again, it has that soapy vibe. So soon I'll be doing full reviews of a couple of these. So just to give you a hint of what my tastes are like in colognes. I love soapy scents too. Soapy scents. I'm a Piscean. I'm a fish. And I love water. And growing up in these boarding schools, actually we used to just love trying different soaps, because that was the only chance that we could explore fragrances, because we had fragrances in soap, so we couldn't afford deos, or that was only soaps. Only when bathing we could explore the sense of smell. And so I used to love trying different soaps, and get those Olays and Palmolives, and let's try different soaps, just to get a different supermarkets. Let's try out different get different soaps, just to experience different smells. So slowly I just love the smell of soap. I just love having bath, and especially the feeling after bath, that fresh out of the shower feeling. So that's the relation why I love soapy scents, and I just enjoy that the whole vibe of the soapiest ever PRADA perfume for men, designed by the great Daniella, roche, andrier. I think in 2006 they released this fragrance. Absolute gem of a soapy scent, guys. And I think I picked this up in one of those Singapore malls, and as soon as after a couple of years I'm again getting my hands on this beautiful scent. And I think there were rumors of it being discontinued, but although this was manufactured in September 2021, so that's not not a long time ago, but yes, finally I've got my hands on this again, and this is 100 ml. So let's go ahead and open this beautiful box. There's just that cloth tag in front with the brand name PRADA, and behind you can see all the ingredients, and here you can see the ingredients and the countries they have sourced from. and below is the batch code. So let's go ahead and open this plastic wrapper. See the beautiful matte box. It's got the self design, and this is like a cloth with the brand name. That's the classy and elegant bottle, and this was one of the few bottles where the atomizer was off center. Most of the perfumes you find it in the center, and this is a very different touch. And there is this metal label, and you can see from where the ingredients were sourced. Lavender from France, then geranium from Egypt, and then you have the batch code below. It's very simple, very elegant, and very elegant bottle. It's got this purple color juice inside. Yes. Little bit of citrus, and there's up top a lavender which you get, and there's that beautiful incense, which adds to that soapiness. It's very smooth. It's like an expensive bar of soap which you find in these luxurious hotels. Very classy, very elegant, and words fail to describe this scent. Seriously, after these years I'm just getting high on this fragrance. The vetiver is raw. It's they've tamed it down to give it that freshness, but again it's that powdery freshness. Overall the vibe is that of clean soap. That incense also adds to, and yeah, the saffron also I can pick up, and that suede leather as well. The suede leather adds to that smoothness, to that finishing touch in the base note. And the saffron just adds that little bit of spice to it. Beautifully blended. I don't know what's happening to my brain. I'm not able to speak, after so many years. Smelling this gem of a scent, boxing of this masterpiece gem of a soapy scent. Class in a bottle. PRADA Amber Pour Homme.